I wish you lot could taste my cooking. I wish you lot could taste my cooking.
Bestie, can you take a bestie for me? Sexy, can you keep it sexy for me? No, no, keep it sexy for me. Can you take a bestie for me? You be checking on my text up, acting yourself for me, loving my action. You be playing with my chest up, texting him on the low, yeah, you think I don't.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me.
Okay guys, I literally just finished cooking. So I have some mixed veg here. I have broccoli, cauliflower and carrots, some rice with some chicken stir-fry sauce thing that I made. And this is going to be my lunch for the next, I think up until Thursday, if I'm correct. How many do I have there? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Actually, up until Friday. This is going to be my lunch. Let me set this so you guys can see me. So I made my lunch today, right? So my lunch is sorted, and I thought that I would just do my dinners when I come back. I'm trying to be a new person. I don't really like cooking every single day, but I'm gonna try. I'll be having salmon with potatoes, baby potatoes, and veg as well. Guys, I was meant to boil an egg and I forgot. I don't like boiled egg, but I was going to add a boiled egg for some protein. But I forgot. I wish you lot could taste my cooking. I wish you lot could taste my cooking. But, yeah, so tomorrow after work, when I get home, I'll cook my dinner. Yeah. So here's day one of weight loss. I'm waking up at 5 tomorrow. I'm gonna start my days at 5. I did want to start at 4:30, but Maripa was shouting, so I've just moved it till 5 o'clock now. Go to the gym, come home, shower, do all that good stuff, and then go to work. And then yeah, I bought things for breakfast, but now I'm into mine because now I want to do intermittent fasting. So I don't know how this is gonna work unless this week I just actually have breakfast, because some of the things are gonna go off this week anyway that I just bought. But yeah, guys, that is today. Guys, it is 6 a.m. and I'm going to the gym. I'm not gonna bring you guys along because yeah, I just can't be bothered. But I'll talk to you guys when I get back in. Guys, these 5 a.m. starts are taking me out. Like, gymming before work is not for the weak, bro. Like, I just cannot. I just thought I'll check in with you lot. I'm at work at the moment. After work, I'm going to be going to Westfield. I need to return some things back to Westfield. I need to go Primark, I need to go Zara, I need to go Bershka. So, I'm ready to start on my jacket. Anyway, excuse that, guys. But, yeah, so I'm going to be going Westfield after work. I'm quite tired, but depending on how I feel, I might just end up in the cinema. You know. Hi, guys, and welcome back. Don't mind the edges. Don't judge me. I'm about to do my makeup because I need to have a content day. I've got a lot of videos to film today. My edges are throwing me off, I'll be so real. Like, they're actually throwing me off. Like, I just washed my hair, so yeah, just quickly put this on top to film. Yeah, my hair's throwing me off, but you know what? I don't really care. So yeah, as I was saying, I have a lot of videos and content to do today. So I'm literally just doing my makeup and getting ready to start my content. And yeah, I feel really sick and nauseous. Did I say that? I feel really sick and nauseous. My stomach is moving so crazy. I've taken my IBS medication because I thought it might be that, but it's like it's getting worse. Hello.
Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe.
Put my bonnet on because I was looking way too crazy. But guys, on TikTok, right, I've been seeing everyone talk about the e.l.f. concealer, so I picked up 2 and I'm gonna use it today for today's look. If it's not nice, I'm finna be angry. But yeah, I'm excited to use it because like the girls I've been seeing, they've been looking cute or whatever. So I thought, let me go and grab some. And yeah, so let's try it out. Okay, hi guys, so I am about to record my first video. Guys, this bright under eye, what do you think about it? I kind of like it, but I'm a bit paro because I'm not used to this bright, so I feel like it looks raw. I feel like I look pretty. Period. So yeah, I'm about to film my first video, which is the Protein World unboxing. I don't know if I told you lot, but I'm now a Protein World ambassador. The brand reached out to me and it came at the right time because summer's approaching. I am getting back into the gym, as you guys would have seen. So it just came at the right time, do you know what I mean? So I'm really trying to change up my diet, change up, like, you know, my lifestyle. Do you know what I mean? I told you, look, I'm reinventing myself. In my visual diary, I said I was reinventing myself, and here are the steps into doing that. I'm trying to feel more confident in my body and slim down because baby. But yeah guys, so I'm gonna film this video and I'll come back. I've ever known there's no way I'll no way, no way I'll live without you. I'm not living. They're gonna tell me to stop shouting in their house soon. Guys, I've just finished. The time now, let me tell you the time. 11:22 p.m. I started getting ready at 11 a.m. I've just finished recording all my content for today. The life of a content creator is not an easy one, bro. Like, yeah. Night, daddy. Like, I am so tired, guys. Like, it's just... then I've got to go to work tomorrow. The way the weekends are zooming is ridiculous, by the way. Like, I'm just so tired. My video has gone up, so I'm just doing some like promo. Yeah, but guys, I'm gonna wipe my face and just chill out. So I'll see you guys. I'm not gonna do anything tonight. I'm knackered, so I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back. I feel like the last time you guys saw me, I don't know what I was doing. I think I just came back from the gym or something. But I just got back from work. And tomorrow, guys, my new bed is coming. I'm so excited. I don't even know if I even updated you guys that I ordered a new bed. I've been complaining about my bed for a while that I feel like it's too low. It's too low. So I ordered a new bed. And it's coming tomorrow. And I'm really excited about that. I'm not going to unpack my current bed now. I'm just going to wait for my new bed to come. And then when it comes, we will do it together. But yeah, I just got back from work. No one's home. I just called them and they went out on some family trip and left me. But I'm just gonna do some editing. I need to edit some videos. I've got like 4 videos to edit, guys, so I'm gonna do some editing. And I'm quite peckish, so I need to get something to eat, but I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. But I just thought I would just check in with you lot because I haven't checked in a few days. Next week I'm officially starting with my personal trainer as well. So hi guys. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I ordered a new bed and it came this morning at 7:30. Guys, I was so pissed off because I was so tired. So my new bed is here. It's downstairs. I will show you guys. It's taken up like I thought it was gonna come flat packed. Guys, the pieces are big, but there's only 3 pieces. So I need to undo my current bed. I set this up when 2021, no? Or 2020? I think 2020 I set this up, and I don't know if I'll be able to undo it again, but I'm gonna try and undo this bed. I asked one guy that does this how much to do the bed. He said £65. I was just thinking £65 doesn't ring a bell, bro. So I'm gonna attempt to do it myself. If I lack, then I'll just call someone to come and do it. I am going to be taking my energy capsules so I can get energy, because I was mentally, when I was thinking about doing this bed, I was just like, bruh, I cannot. But I actually need to, so I need to take 2 of these. These capsules are so big, like I struggle, you guys know, if you don't know, like I kind of struggle to swallow. Joking, that was disgusting. But I do struggle to like swallow food, swallow things, and like something like this size is a bit big. But these are my energy capsules from Protein World. And if you guys don't know, I am a Protein World ambassador. So you can use my discount code for 40% off, guys. My discount code is PW Zoe Ldn. It will be in the description box. Yeah. So I'm just going to take this, and then I'm going to, after I take this, I'm going to take off my mattress. I am going to take all my shoe boxes from out under my bed, and then I'm going to try it in. So yeah, should I take you guys downstairs to show you the bed and how it's taking up the front room? There's no taste, guys. It's just that because it's big in my throat. That should give me energy that I need. I need to also film content. I want to film a makeup routine because, guys, I am loving my e.l.f. concealer. And my makeup was bomb the other day. But here, guys, let's get into it. So, guys, I have... Let me pause this. So, guys, I have removed the shoes from under my bed. These are just all the boxes. And over there... those are the heels, guys. I don't know why I have so many heels, because I don't like heels. I don't wear heels. Yeah, these are all the boxes I had under the bed. Guys, this bed is stressing me out, you know. And because I put this bed together like 3 years ago. I cannot remember how I did it. I can't find the manual. I couldn't find the actual like sort of Allen key they gave. So I'm literally just winging it now. Thank God I took those energy tablets, because if not, I would have been done. Actually would have been done. I don't even know what step comes after this. I'm just trying to, because it definitely didn't come like with things on, everything came flat packed. So I need to get this down to the smallest pieces basically. And then, yeah. So yeah, we're getting there. Kinda. Oh, okay. Let me go do the other end.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Jade, wait. Jade, let's go. Why are you stopping, Jade? Come on. So because the last time I punched it, Jade, you're flinging it into the stairs. Okay, let's go. Pulling it up. Let's go. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Okay. Oh, how do you twist it again? Oh, Jesus! Jade. Sorry. Jade. Oh. It was... I'm not holding it well. It's gonna slide. It's fine. It's on me. Is it? Yeah, you can go. It's fine. How did we twist it before? It was flat. Flat like how? It was flat. Like this? No, it was flat. Is it? Yeah, and then we started twisting it. But we lifted it a bit. No, but you know what? It's because I was raising it higher. So the bottom bit was coming up. Yeah. Oh, come on. Not doing it. Jade, please. Jade. I'm up. Yeah, you're up. Are you up? I'm up. Jade, stop. Jade, I'm sweating. Jade, I don't have shit. I don't be moving! Okay, I'm stuck. Why are you stuck? Push it up. Push it up. It's up. Push it up. Hold on. Hold on. Jade, sorry, are you okay? Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, it's good. Sorry, did you drop your shoulder? Barely. I made it out. Sorry. It's fine. This stupid bed, it's not even my bed. What is this anyways? Is this the bed? The bottom bit. What the hell? Why is it even this small? Small? Yeah,